Hello everyone. First of all, I am introduce myself. My name is Vikas Kunja. Then I am show our HTML tag and my website only use for HTML. So first I am showing this my only HTML tag. Then I am explain what tag. The first doc type HTML. This is doc type HTML. The page HTML language HTML5 page this and HTML language like English and head is the browsers help to show the web page but is not show the users. And meta character is help for language like Hindi, English, it's Chinese, anything use language. And meta name is user friendly for our website like using mobile phone and computer. That's size converted. And title, why we use title is this is so the our name browser top like Google name, so the browser name top the this is link. I am first try I am use for CSS link for I am another page use and link CSS. And head part is complete. This start to body is basically used for our website when try to body to all things like header, footer, section. Like I'm explain all things. Header used for only like I am view also. I am using anything link names. So I'm write header part. H1 is heading for usage. And H1 to H1 like H2 H3 H1 is main, but H2 H3 H6 is subheading to heading. And navbar using for navigation link or link. And ul used for our like bullet points. And alt is for our website heading. This home page, profile page like this is. And break line, I am break line used for break the line. You know that I am like anywhere break and right to down page, so I am using break line. So this is alt and break. And div I use for I am write to CSS, then I am class name is right, and I am using CSS now. Then easily I am any changes the using for div. And H2 also write to subheading part. And paragraph used for write my thinking and also my about my me. And strong I will use because I am any word like show me big, then I am use for strong. Also is to OL also use the for like one numbers, show me all numbers. And this is list and also strong word list use. I am also say strong list like my uh, list list that's anything your mark sheet list you show that's line to line, that is using for list. And strong also has to also paragraph footer. Footer why we use footer use for I am using anywhere my website, then I am write to footer like this is paragraph copyright as copyright don't do it. This is official copyright using for my website. And also this is right to a link, important link use. And that's side I am right link. And this is oppose confirm because it's my website, then I am using for footer. And any uh, important link used for footer. And body is complete. And also say also that's all right to body because body is a main part. Then you all see this all you show na our website, so this is right to body part. Okay, that's part is not so because is only show show this browser, but user not show this part. Okay, doc type is a HTML type page. Okay, this is. And I am also show this our structure. This sorry guys, I am some use for CSS, but sorry, but also but and this is my HTML. Like this is only for header part use. This is H1, this S2, this H2. This is a strong word used. Then write this site. No, this is strong word, I think, yes. And this is paragraph. And this is list, say. And this is numbers, URL. And also this is copyright in my learning journey. Okay, thank you for giving me opportunity. And like to channel and subscribe. Okay, to meet to my second part. Okay, this is our homepage. Thank you for